I have a deck of cards that I am actually going to pull as I call in the directions here in this space. And I have a little bag of rose petals that I'm going to offer to the directions. And I have a rock. It says smile. And then there's this little guy that's smiling. Yay! So I'm moving into this space here, which is in the east. I can hear crickets singing a new season. And I can see some green coming in the foundation. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. East. The Four of Pipes. And what I see on this card is like a sweat lodge, and there is feminine and masculine, male and female, in a tunnel, almost like a cell, an incubus that's actually starting to break open. This new world order as we come back out into the world, and doing so from a place where my feminine and my masculine are more integrated. I'm going to go this way for the south. Let's see what's this way. Oh, look at the green starting to come through down there. Here's a crossroads. Look at this. This is a crossroads. This is beautiful for the south. Decisions and choices based upon right action and right relationship, accountability and responsibility. Yes, and we always are at a crossroads in life. Lots of different directions that converge within the moment of now. And so as I stand on this center of now and holy moly, connect into, oh, there's deer over there. Oh, and that's my heart chakra animal. Oh, and there's a bluebird that just flew in. Oh, hello. Oh my gosh, I'm feeling like 2 cards that want to come through in this direction. Oh, thank you, Spirit, for this magical moment. Thank you. Oh my goodness, and in the south, 2 cards want to come. The 5 of Arrows and the Apprentice of Arrows. 2 powerful images that speak to mentorship and being of service to community and being in witness space and serving the generations that are moving into this now space as well. Oh, my flower petals. Oh, look at this beautiful one right here. I think maybe rather than breaking it up, I might leave it whole. Look at this. Look how beautiful this is. Oh, yay. Yay. Anointing my feet. Yay, may I walk the beauty way. Oh my goodness, thank you. I just dropped my tarot deck on the ground, and these are the 4 cards that came out. The Exemplar of Stones, Corn Woman, Discernment, Judgment, Good One. 9 of Arrows, look at that. There's a mask and it's pointing, and look at, there's blindfolded eye. And the Apprentice of Bowls. That's really beautiful. This will help guide me into my sacral chakra month of May. Oh, look at that. Corn Woman, Discernment, 9 of Arrows, and the Apprentice of Bowls. These are the cards that jumped literally out at me. Okay. Look at this beautiful rock. Look at that. Look at that lichen, that yellow lichen. And you can see some of the cactus that's starting to pop out and about. That's an interesting totem to work with this concept of social distancing, is the cactus. Like a lot of cactuses have really beautiful flowers. And they also have these spikes that are used to prevent predators from eating their juicy cores. So succulent. So I'm gonna come into the west here and see what feels westy. Wow, look at this. Moving into the west. Oh, cultivating my maturity, my second adulthood. Oh my goodness gracious. Seven of Stones. Look at that. She's like going into self-quarantine. She's got her baskets from the grocery and she's going inward. Not quite ready to come back out into the world yet. Part of the cultivation of my adulthood and maturity is this inward process that is happening. And now I'm going to head to the North Station, and as I do, there's a moon rising. And the north is so obviously these elder trees and the shade, right timing and endurance and wisdom and stillness. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And so here under this north elder tree, I pulled my north card and I got the card of balance. I like even having the shadow, dark and light. Balance, feminine, masculine. I'm gonna move my altar now under this space and sit with the elder guidance, kind of moving my stuff that I had been storing over there in the sun. I'm bringing it now into the shade. Balance. Oh my goodness. Oh my goddess. My feet are on rock. My back is against bark. My sight is expanded. It's a beautiful moment. And I see this line of shadow leading into this beautiful little alcove. And so I have this rock. Oh my goodness, and I want to offer the fairies. I want to offer the fairies. This has been a magical tree. Oh, somebody lives back there. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You know what? Since somebody lives there, I feel like maybe you go there. Yeah. Nice.